Hi everybody, how you going? I'm just nipping out, so set a bit of a jig up on near side seatbelt anchor, so see what you think. We'll have a run about and a bit of a chat what's going off, what's not going off. So we're in Old Lady, it's 67 V4. It's had a clutch now. Wait, last time you had me, I went for Robin, which is not going a million bits, but it's in a few bits. Waiting for what ran back to be quite odd. So go on, let's have a run out. And it's a bit bright, I don't know what it'll turn out like, but it'll get a trip out in summer. But I hope everybody's well anyway, and I hope things are alright for you. I mean, we're nearly on Christmas, nearly on top of us, so a Merry Christmas to you all anyway, all subscribers or whatever, people watching. And well, to be honest, I'll be glad to see it back at a year, because it's not been a good year. And I mean, last year, the year before were no good, because it's becoming a nightmare with classics, but that's just the way it goes. Bits are getting harder to find. Everything's harder. Well, it's ridiculous, prices of stuff. I mean, I got some sanding pads over there so I could use my extraction. They were micro mesh. They're nice, like 3M stuff, good stuff, but 3 packs. I think we're about 100 odd quid, and unbelievable. But that's what it is. That's what it is. But I need them because a bit better for breathing with dust, with extraction on. So that's where we're at. Traffic's a bit busy, I'm afraid, but we'll go and run out here anyway, so I can do it calling down at me along with feeding chickens. So we'll take it up there. As I was saying anyway, I mean, it's getting to end of year, so, and as like I said, I will be glad to get it back at it, but see what happens next year, see if things are a bit better. We'll try and keep a few videos coming through for you, probably try and get, well, at least, well, I'm hoping we're going to get some of my own cars in workshop. Workshop's still full, but we're slowly wading through, and we've got FB Victor, that's ready for paint now, all bodywork's done on it. That just needs, wants a bit of sealing up round rubbers on windscreen and rear screen, and then that's out of the way. I've got some plywood in for Anglia for floor, so we've got that, so we'll get flooring. I've upped that to 3/4 from 1/2 inch, because I don't think 1/2 inch is very adequate to fasten the seat to. Well, I mean, Ford is running there, but we're talking 54, so a bit different here and now. But we've got some traffic, we've got some good brakes. Nice sunny day, to be honest. Well, this drive's completely different now it's had a clutch. Completely different. And this one's on a Zenith, not on a Autolite, so she's a bit more powerful than on an Autolite. A lot more powerful, to be honest. A lot more thirsty weed. As I was saying, I run about Anglia. Anglia, like flies come from before. I've got bolted hinges back on. That looks sort of a half right finish. Got a super fast focus here. We're doing 50, so God knows how fast these do. Not like I was saying, bolts back on my hinges. That's something like a fit. Obviously, there's a little bit of prep on bolt, but not much. It's been stripped and that. And then there's well, once I've got floors in, obviously get handbrake, finish dash off, bodywork, then get everything bolted up. Made a new gasket for fuel pumps. I've had a few problems with that, and I've got another half for fuel carburetor body ultrasonic because I've had issues with that and all, but... And Ely, well, she's prepped ready for an isolating coat and a top primer. And I mean Zephyrs, well, Zephyrs and Zephyrs, this one's running about, drives me about, silver one's fine. So just come along and enjoy it ride, so if that's what you want to do. Makes a change from me just chatting in workshop, but probably not very professional like, but I just get a bit, well, I don't really know what to come out with next really, I just generally talk what pops into my head, so there's that much garbage about now that... But going back to classics, I mean I've also noticed a few people are telling me their insurance prices are starting to creep up, so it looks like not got away with that, they're starting to hit classics now. And obviously prices, well, they are a lot lower on them, like, which, well, some of them are way inflated anyway, some of them are way inflated. I mean, in the morning I'm popping over to my friend who had stroke because he's going home, his family are picking him up and he's having his dinner at his home. I mean, I don't know whether they're starting to fetch him out now. I don't think he's going to drive again, but family have asked me to go over and start his cars up, so I'm going to sort that out for him. Got an SP 250 at home and an MG. I mean, I will probably check him out in. I'll probably go on in Lincoln, check him out because he's always wanted to drive an engine on, and you've seen him when you saw it that time when you were out. Thanks all of you for feedback on Reliant, because one chap personally messaged me that, I think that was through a Reliant Facebook page, and he's given me quite a bit of information, that chap. So, I mean, they all got this sort of story regarding no overflow and carburetor. So I've got an overflow top with what is it, with a float chamber tops on it, with an overflow, so we can do that. They're all talking about fuel filter engine bay, they don't like that idea, so we'll get rid of that and we'll move one further down the car. But as I said earlier, she's in a few bits now, so it's sat while Neil gets Brad done, and when I pick Brad up I'll let you have a look around this place and show you how you older type of engineering people have the workshops. A bit noisy on this video because, well, there's no interior in this car. A couple of seats chucked in, a set of carpets, but there's no door cards on. Well, obviously it's tons better with brake clutching in. Big old Plymouth here. Cars available as well for all your listening if you're looking for cars, because I can't hang on to them forever, so someone's got to go. We've got quite a bit of fuel if you want to pass a comment, and if you're not looking for out in particular, I might have what you're looking for. I ain't got a deal of time a minute to work on it for you. Well, I'd say it'd have to depend on what you wanted, but if you don't ask, you don't get. like an impossibility now to get anybody to gear hand and that, especially with gear cars that are working. There just won't be that. Well, it won't be viable to employ us, to be quite honest. There's so little money left in the job. You know, every time you pay bills in workshop and that, you've barely got, you're living. You're not doing the more. And obviously now this government want the pound of flesh out and everything, so they're trying to make that even harder. So, but that's just the way it goes. Alright for you. I can mount it onto this side as well, onto this anchor pot seat belt. Plus it'll go in silver one, so you can have a run out in that one with me. Well, it'll go in anything. What about Lincoln? I don't know if I'll mount it to Lincoln, but somebody did say they prefer to run out in these than a run out in Reliant. They said it was a bit noisy, but bushes were gone in front shocker, so I've replaced them now, so things will be a bit easier. A bit quieter. Probably a lot more quieter because I've done exhaust on back as well. So, well, you'll have to, well, you'll want to run out in it, so we'll have to do that one again. But you've been in this one quite a few times, so now you know. Well, I'm just about at my allotment, so don't know how many miles it was, but bit of something for you to watch. Give us a like if you like videos, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this stuff. I want to see stuff in workshop, etc., but I just try to vary things and let you see a bit of other stuff. Pass a comment, you know I'll always talk to you and come back to you. In fact, I'll just give a quick look round at what I'm driving, because some of you will be quite surprised who haven't looked on my channel before. Grab my camera. So here you are. This is a 1967 Zephyr V4, 1967 V4. Came like this because somebody started restoring it. I bobbed a bit of primer on it. Will get restored. You'll see it go through the workshop. It's been written all over for Halloween. So take care, everybody, and give us a like. You like video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see a bit more of this car, plus other Mach 4s, plus, well, loads of cars, whatever I drive around in. And pass a comment, come back to you. Take care, bye for now.